Hey, so today's video is going to be really different from the usual because it's not at all about photography. It is about textile. So you have to know that as always and as with everything basically, I'm not satisfied. But that's even more the case there because in order to be good at something, you need to practice it over and over again. And with textile, it takes a lot of time. So it takes time to finish one piece, and you just learn from that one piece, and then you need to do another one and so on. And it just takes forever, especially as I have other things, like I have a day job, I have photography, I have music, everything. So I can't spend my days doing textile work, sadly. And this one is actually, I think, the first punch needle thing I did, I think. I think it's my first one. Is it? No, it's not my first one. It is not my first punch needle thing. I think it's my fourth. Maybe my fourth? Yeah, fourth I would say. But it's the first one that I was thinking, well, I don't want to make a tapestry out of it. I want to make a rug. So I did the backing a little bit different. And the idea I had for it is also a bit different because I was thinking about creating like an island. Okay. So it's kind of supposed to look like an island. But yeah. And yeah, so it's supposed to be a rug, but it's also really small because I didn't have anything bigger at the time in order to stretch it. So yeah, and I started it I think in 2020 or 2021. I think I've moved 2 times since I started it. So yeah, that's really a big joke, this one. And yeah, and the backing, I don't think the material that I used is it's not good. It's like really solid. It's not the proper stuff for this. Like it's really not great, but I found that it actually fits perfectly on one of the chair I have, which is just a plain white chair, like very boring, and it fits perfectly on top of it. So I've put it on there, and that's perfect. So I don't like it, and I'm not sure I'm going to make rugs again. I think I just prefer tapestries. But yeah, I'm happy that I found this perfect place for it on top of my white chair. And yeah, I'm still going to share with you the process, how I did it. I'm probably just going to put some music on top of the videos, and yeah. God, it's worse than having a cat. Okay, so I hope that you enjoyed watching this video, and I will see you in the next video.